Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new day of scalping. We will closely watch what the market has for us today on the scalping level, but not only, because we'll have questions and we'll do some TA, some analysis on different time frames. As you know us, we are daily scalping here, and me and Paul, Kevin, we are doing shows regarding trading, mostly on crypto, on different time frames, different uh, analysis. And today we look at a low time frame, 5, 15 minutes, even 1 hour. We'll try to find some scalping levels, um, not only on Bitcoin, but also on altcoins. Yesterday, I was expecting, after I saw this break of structure here to the upside, I was expecting a retracement to retest this area, which in the past was a clear resistance, you can see here, and now I was expecting to retest it as a support, something like that, and then bounce. But it seems like the market just pumped without a retracement. Good morning, Christian. Good morning, everybody. We can't do too many things right now. The market is already pumped. It's too late, too long, in my opinion. So what we can do is actually find some nice altcoins and hunt maybe with a THG on 5 minutes. But more than that, you can see we have an internal range forming here on Bitcoin. It's not my, uh, I mean, I absolutely love trading ranges, but this one, it's too little. So we don't have, it's only about 1K of a range. Okay, so I was receiving some messages. Let me know if everything is all right with the sound and not only the quality of video.
I changed I changed the microphone.
Okay, so I was receiving some.
Change some settings right now. Everything should be, I mean the audio should be a little bit better. Okay. I was receiving some errors on the YouTube dashboard, but it seems like I solved it. There we go. Okay, so let's find some altcoins that are pumping and they have a nice move to the upside. We can have some fun hunting some entries. Yeah, this one on 5 minutes, it looks really, really good. Really good. Like the range is holding, the trend is holding, sorry, and it's looking happy. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see high time frame. Yeah, high time frame also is looking good. You can see that it broke out this down slope, downtrending channel, and now it's just pumping to the upside. And the X area, which was the resistance here, we have it as a support. So I like it. I like it. Maybe we can find an entry on 5 minutes. Ideally, it would be around here at the retest of this low, which in the past was a resistance, now should be a support. So if I get a retracement down into this area, you can see also the nice riding of this EMA. That would be ideal. 5 minutes would give me an entry around here. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so let's highlight this one or a little scalping series. There we go. Also, you would wonder, hey, Stefan, why don't we scalp the Monday range on Bitcoin? Well, if we go daily on Bitcoin, you'll see that we don't have. So we have a Monday candle. Yeah, it closed really strong. I like that. So look at this. It just displaced the previous highs, previous high, previous high. And look at the displacement. So this is big buying volume off of this previous support. And if we look at the volume profile, you can see the POC was holding really nicely. You can see the demand formed 1, 2, 3, 4 candles and then up. So definitely it's looking better than it was looking last week. So last week I was specifying that on weekly level, we formed supply, which look, we can see into the past 1, 2, 3, 4 candles of supply. Okay, representing a little retracement, like 20%, not much. That would have been like here, 34, 36K. But it seems like this week, I don't know, it's been a lot of things going on with the ETF and everything like that. So I don't know how much from the price action it's actual like res respecting exactly the TA that we would look at. And I think it's a lot of FOMO going on. But remember what Paul is posting, because if you zoom out, well, this is not the location where you want to go long. It's not the location where you want to go long. You know that we were screaming, but we were screaming around here, buy. And exactly when we broke out of this W, we had a confirmation. So this was the area to buy this here. Right now, I don't know. Even this area, if we get a retracement 28K, would be a good area to buy. But here, no, don't touch it. We are closer to the top than we are to the bottom. And we will most likely get a retracement. So, and if you are following us closely, you'll see that we are stating the fact that any retracement is a buying opportunity right now. Yeah, so any retracement will be a buying opportunity. We don't fade that. Yeah, we should focus on not fading the potential probabilities, because if price is dumping here, you can see that in the past was a clear S&R area. So in my opinion, this is the first area that we will retest, and it's a very good area to buy. You can see support, 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 resistance, 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 and it's not retested. So most likely, I don't know, maybe we'll spend some time here, then a retracement, and then continue to the upside. And I don't think it will be. I, I mean, we will require some sort of news to start this downsending slope. I think there will happen uh, some fuckeries, because if you have a journal, as we are encouraging all the time, you will know, because in the past when they started a pullback like this, they required some sort of FUD. And if you have a journal, you will know that when that FUD occurs, okay, it's good actually for the long-term purpose of accumulation. because that retracement is really healthy and should happen. So it's not something that you should be scared of. Yeah. Even if we see a retracement in this area, you can see it clearly. That would be 24K. Yeah. Because if we are using a fib, okay, let's see that we are rejecting from 48. Let's say that we are rejecting from 50, which is actually a big number. 50K, it's a big number, like a really round number for resistance. We can say at 61.8, it's actually at 28K. Yeah, we have a nice W here, not retested. Fair value gap, fair value gap. So even 78.6, even SFUing these lows, you can see equal lows here in this area. Yeah, even that can happen. So let's go back on daily. Nothing to do here. Okay, maybe if we get a retracement, if we get a retracement here on 43, 42, yeah, we can look for a long. But up here, no. What I would do, because we are scalping, I would put an alarm here, go on 5 minutes, and I would wait for a SFU. But I would play a confirmation SFU, not a traditional one. I will not use the volume profile for POC, and I mean, most of you already know how to frame that SFU. But I would wait for a sweep of the highs, aggressive rejection. I want to see that aggressive rejection. Maybe we'll use some sort of LJ on the pump. I want to see aggressive sell, nice M, and then sell. Or straight the deviation. If we see the deviation back in the range, okay, we can short this level. Until then, nothing to do. We can play Monday high. So here is Monday high. And you know that in the past was pretty good for playing some setups. Okay, let's see in a jeu. Man, I like it. I like it, like it, like it. And we have an entry. Ah, mm. Mm. Not ideally, not ideally, because we already SFU the high, so it's like we already took profit here. It's quite dangerous to get in a long right now, in my opinion. But on 15 minutes, on 5 minutes, we can observe that the rejection is not that aggressive. Let's see, 4 hour, yeah, it's aggressive. 1 hour, we can see a pin bar. So we can have a more aggressive retracement here. Let's not, maybe if you use, I don't know, 0.25 and you're splitting on 4 trades, yeah, you can long image here. But keep in mind the fact that we already took the highs, guys. We already took the highs. We can naturally see a pullback. It's not bearish, okay? It can be really bullish. Let's see Solana. Oh, there you go, Solana. This is looking bullish. You know that I absolutely love this kind of structure. And this structure for me, it's a bullish one. So I think longing Solana is not a bad idea at all. And you actually see no W. We actually see that it formed a demand here. Look at this. So this area already is holding the level on 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 candles. So I like it. We have an M, but in my opinion, it's not a strong one. You know how I like the M's. I like the structure to be displaced by a candle body. Right now, you see, it's just looking like an SFU type of M, like sweep of liquidity. So I think we can look for an entry on Solana. Something like this. Let's see, it was here, and yeah, something like this, because already you can see the steps, the stairs going higher, and you can see already the trend line type of structure being broken. So we can see an expansive movement right now. It's trying to confirm this W here. Either FAFO but the risk can be really good. The risk to reward can be really good. Like you can have a 10 easily, a 10 risk to reward. How PJ likes his trade. 10R. Hey, good morning, man. So yeah, Solana is looking prepared. Let me check. I did a mistake. Let me check Bitcoin dominance because it's very, very important. I want to see what that motherfucker is doing. Okay, not great, not terrible. Well, location is for short, definitely, but it's strong as fuck. Look at the weekly candle, how it closed. And right now we are in, so location-wise, we are in supply, definitely. So it's not an area where you would buy here. This would be, it's an area for short, but keep in mind that it's in an ascending, constantly ascending channel here. It didn't broke down, it didn't broke this low. It's looking uppy. If you are following us and you watch the daily videos, you would know how to position yourself daily based on that. Okay. We can have a little pullback, definitely. So what we can expect here is something like this: retracement into this area, retest this area, or this one here. You can see resistance, support. We can come back down here. That would push the altcoins a little bit, and down this motherfucker can go higher. So okay, so it has a location for a retracement. Altcoins can perform a little bit. I'm having THR and fuck, it's going up already. And Solana. And Solana too. Let's see, AVAX. AVAX has more violent pullbacks, as you see. So I think I would play a 9 minutes on it. You can see the pullbacks on AVAX are more violent than on the other coins. So, but also nice W here formed. It 5 minutes says to enter here. Yeah, not a good area to enter actually. With a stop loss here. And look on daily. Yeah, definitely we have room to go up. But also, we can't ignore this possible resistance here. And we touched an area of support. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. So yeah. And we are long from yesterday. I'm looking at something here, I think. Can't remember what I was looking for. Yeah. LDO, LDO. LDO is looking good, holding the trend lines nicely. Let's see 4 hours if it has room to go up. Yeah, definitely has room to go up. Not in the short below zone yet. You can see this is what I'm worried about on on Indonesia, same sort of stuff. So when we are taking a previous high, it's not necessarily bad thing that we see a retracement, but most likely a retracement will happen. So that's why Indonesia, if you are doing a good job at risk management, definitely you can take it. But if not, avoid it. Already took the high. Near. Looks good. 5 minutes looking really good. We don't have yet a W. 1 minute we have one. 2 minutes we have one. I think I'll take this one. Yeah, I'll take it here. SFU of that low. Ah, fuck. And let's see. take profit. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 hour. Okay. It has room to go up. This can be a 10R. How Paul likes his THGs. His trades. Let's see. 1 second. In the order. Okay, I-18. Let's snip. Maybe if anyone wants to join me, post it. Definitely looking good. So we can already see that it it's breaking the structure to the upside, and the FEGs are holding really nicely. You can see I like this 1 hour candle a lot. It screams higher. We'll see. 0.5. It didn't kill anybody. 0.5 stop loss didn't kill anybody. Okay. Community members, they know I was watching this coin, but I was watching in one of the two following ways. So we either break the structure to the upside here and we confirm this big fat W on daily, either we are doing a power of three, which requires a little bit more consolidation, manipulation, boom, something like this, and then buy. For the moment, I'm not touching it, but it's in a good location. We are in the long reload zone, 78.6 almost, and I'm waiting. Okay, so it's a good coin to have in your long-term bag. Let's see Ethereum. So Ethereum 1 day, same stuff here. Nice W, nice buying pressure here. You can see the candle body low. It's actually going higher. This means demand. So this means that buyers are in control and they are pushing the volume to the upside. And I like this candle body close. So it's closed, 1 day close. I freaking love it. What we can do actually is again play the Monday range, because I think if we take this high, we will get a retracement and a retest that classic entry on the W, and we'll retest 22 and then going higher. Let's see near I-18. 449, it's my entry. Okay, questions, guys, if you have. Let's see, 9 persons. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. It helps us a lot. Let's make the algorithm our body and drive the algorithm. Let me know if you have any questions. Maybe we can look on some charts. I don't know. We can look together at some charts. Lately, we have been aped into Solana a lot. We traded Solana a lot. Was absolutely mania there. So was absolutely crazy what happened. A really nice risk to reward. A lot of shit coins pumping like crazy. Was absolutely crazy. Florin, try to speak English, please. Yeah, Amo. Amo was one of the coins that I'm looking at here on Stefan Nibbles. You can see we have green, we have red. Nutrn is absolutely killing it. I aped in early on this one. And I said, guys, look at the daily fair value gaps, look at the weekly fair value gaps, look at this one here. $1 already up 60%. So this is a monster of a coin, and be sure to have it in your pocket, to have some of it. Okay. Let's see, Amo. Well, Amo is still in the consolidation area. We are almost at break even, slightly below. What I think it will do is just a reaccumulation range here. I saw it's not moving, so you can see it's resistance and support here. So I think we need some sort of reaccumulation phase where it creates equal lows, equal highs, a manipulation to the downside, reclaim, and then the price will go higher. So I think this phase can take some time here, as we saw on peer happening, as we saw on link happening. Uh, it can take some time. Okay, this reaccumulation phase, but definitely I'm bullish on this coin, and um, if I see a break to the upside, a breakout to the upside, maybe I'll actually uh, ape more. Let's see, INSP. I have it on my list too. Okay, so as you know, I said buy here, and it's already up 40% from the area where I said buy. Look at the daily support, man. So much support here from December to January was a reaccumulation phase. So this one can easily start and sort of AB equals CD type of stuff. So you can see it here, level one, and even 1.6 and 1.8. I was hoping for more because my bag is not filled yet, like on the fully, it's not fully packed. But it is what it is. That's why it's very good to split your orders. You might not get the fills desired, but if you are splitting your orders, you will be sure that you will have a bag of what you wish. Maybe not the desired amount, but you will still ride the trend. See, almost 3x until here. So yeah, yeah, INSP is looking really, really good. And actually, this candle, it's displacing the previous range. You can see the W forming here. You can see the supply 1, 2, 3, and then displacing the supply, and now it's transforming it as a demand. So if I see something like this and then a retracement here, I will buy again. I will ape again 2 by 3, but not now. I will ape the 2 by 3 desired amount that I'm allocating. And then if I see a dump, I'll finally allocate the maximum amount. But I like it. I like it a lot. I'm really bullish on these coins here. So these are my bullish plays, like high conviction bullish plays for the next bull market. Okay. Uh, wood or woo, woo. Okay. Yeah. Woo. Really nice coin. I got shit tons of wool because this weekly accumulation, we didn't sit on our hands. Nice W here. Nice demand forming here in the fair value gap. You can see it. This is the area where I accumulated, the area between the W and the weekly fair value gap. This you can see one rejection, two, three, four. So real nice demand forming here. So what would you like to know about WU? You want to short, you want to long-term accumulate, you want to scalp. You can see already the monthly, you can see the monthly W formed here. You get the displacement here. So, you know, this is the only way that I take Ws with a displacement, with the candle body closing above the week. So I absolutely love this one. Monthly, it's looking good. Well, if you didn't bought at the bottom, as we did, and as we said multiple times, well, we have another FEG here. I don't know, maybe if we get a strong pullback, like a really, I don't know, fat type of pullback, we can see a retracement at point 2, which is actually, you can see it's a short, it's a sell half on a double already until here. So it's a big retracement from this point. I don't know, maybe we'll get it, I don't say no, but the accumulation phase was here at the bottom of the W. But now what we can do, we have a setup here. If we look on monthly, let's go on weekly. It's a little bit big, that time frame. Well, any pullback into this area, the buying opportunity, in my opinion. Any pullback into 28.28.25, it's a good area to buy. Well, definitely, if it retraces here on point 2, at point 2, it's an even better area to buy. So let's put a good area to buy. And this is a buy with 2 hands. 2 hands and risk management area, okay? Here it's a buy with 2 hands and risk management type of area, okay? I like it. I'm not buying it anymore because I have shit tons of who accumulated here at 0.15, 0.18. I'm done with this one. I'm focusing on my bags from this list now. Most of the coins that we see already on Binance and KuCoin, I'm risk managementally speaking, I'm full. I can't buy any more. So I need to focus on other coins because if I'm just stacking one type of coin, I will just be exposing my capital like 3%, 5% on that specific coin, which I don't want. It's not my plan. So yeah, this is the WU plan. Let me know if you have any other questions, guys. I like it. Nice. I mean, if we are doing this daily, imagine that we are doing this on a daily basis, guys, and it's absolutely like constant grind. This is that what we are doing. Daily grinding, slowly, but daily grinding, putting that effort on a daily basis. Then this is actually what helps us to pinpoint accurate buy these really nice dips, these areas, to be early in some projects, to be early on trades, to get those nice risk to reward trades, to get those shorts. Because if you're a member of community, you can see that we sold so many halves on a double. If you are following the road to financial freedom, which is free, it's free for everybody. If you are following that plan, you can see that we bagged a lot of doubles there. What actually means doubles for the new members is selling half at the double. So taking back your investment. For example, if you bought WU at 0.14, well, here we were selling half at 31, taking back our investment and then trying to reload in the long reload zone once the coin is retracing a little bit. That would be the plan, okay? In my opinion, don't fade this. 2024, any retracement, it's a buying opportunity. We can see a lot of monthly a lot of weekly, a lot of daily Ws, and any pullback, it's a buying opportunity this year. Good morning, Piotr. So ZKF. Oh yeah, ZKF. Well, ZKF, I have shit tons of ZKF because I participated into the airdrop, and I was eligible for some airdrop. So speaking about this week is the first thing that we see. 0.5 of this week will be retested with a high probability. Yeah, so you know that. Also, when a coin is listed, members who are watching us from a long time, they know that when a coin is listed and it makes this type of round bottom, it's actually what we want to see. Okay, it's absolutely insane. So if you see something like this, it's a buy. Also, we don't need to put a Fibonacci, but we can already see that we are way below. I think it's 88.6 if I'm not mistaken from my eye. Yeah, we are already at 88.6. So is this a good buy for a long term? Definitely. Okay. So I would not sell my ZKF here. You should be stupid. A lot of people are selling their airdrops here. If you have an airdrop from ZKF, don't sell it here. It's useless. Okay. Wait, have patience. It will go up. Most likely it will go here to 0.048. So this area will be retested. And let's see how much of a growth it's until there. Where it's 4x. It's 4x. I think 90% of the newly listed coins that we see on the markets right now, they had this pump until at least to the halfway of the week. Because if we look at GTO, if we look at Byte, if we look at ARB, if we look at all the coins, they had that retracement. They retested back the highs, and maybe they had a pullback. Some of them actually created new all-time high, stuff like that. So definitely, I would buy this one. And if we look closer, I'm not a yeah. So with high indulgency, I would say that okay, maybe this is W, but if not that one, well, this one is. But this is one. Okay, so I would take this one. Yeah, I can see an uptrend starting from here because what it experienced a lot of selling pressure from the people who took the airdrop and then they just market sold it and never look back. Okay, so but we are not doing that. We are here for the long run. We are here patient, and we know that we will see a big pump on a lot of new coins. So definitely, if we get a retracement, let's say 4 hours, no fair value gap, we can just have allocation. So if we see a 61.8 retracement back on this area where you can see it was resistance, so I would buy here, for example. If I'm new and I'm looking to buy, I would buy here at anything below 1. It's a buying opportunity. You can see it here, 1. So yeah, and I would sell at 4 here. I would sell at 48. Retesting the zero 0.5 level, GAN level of this week is the way to go, in my opinion. So 4x, why not? Why not? TGC, what that means? Sorry, it's a coin, or you were speaking about the airdrop? Sorry. Do you think that Pearl still has a chance to do something? Well, let's look at Pearl. Any coin has a chance to do something, in my opinion, on a bull market. Hopefully this is the one, Poloniex or Gate.io. I don't like Poloniex. Okay, I see why I don't like Poloniex. If this is the one from Gate.io, I know what sort of selling pressure is pushing the price so aggressive. TGC, it's a casino coin. I think it's on, yeah, it's on Uniswap. We'll look at that one too. Sorry. So, yeah, just mention if it's on like USDT or it's WETH kind of coin. Well, Florin, well, I like it. I don't know. Most people will say, it's ugly, it's going to zero. No, but it can go. I'm not buying here, definitely. But what I would buy, it's a reclaim. If I see this, okay, I'll buy. If I see that we reclaimed here, this previous demand area now should be resistance. If I see that the coin is doing this, I'm not touching it. If I see the coin is doing this, then it's the moment to buy. That's a power of 3 scenario. Power of 3 scenario, which it's happening a lot lately. So we are seeing this power of 3 everywhere, everywhere on a weekly, on a high time frame basis. Okay. Right here, I don't know. I don't know what happened to the coin. Maybe it has some bad news. It can go a little bit lower. You can see what we are at 1.36. Yeah, I saw that, Kuchor. I have a big bag of Metis. I absolutely love that coin too. So concluding on Pearl, I would wait. I would put an alarm here, Florin. Have an alarm. If I get the alarm trigger, I'll open the chart. Yeah, okay. I'll open the chart and see, okay, what's happening. It's pushing back. Okay, it's reclaiming. That's a good news. Then I'll buy back. Let's see Metis. I'm really bullish on Metis. Yeah, there you go. Let me show you. I already had a draw here. Look at this power of 3. Let's go on weekly. Weekly? Yeah. So Florin, this is what you want to see. You would say like the same shit. Oh, it's going to 0. Well, okay, it's going to 0 here. Okay, nobody's buying. Okay. Well, after this candle, look at this candle, weekly candle, which actually displaced the neckline and reclaimed the previous area, which was demand, and now supply, and now became demand again. This reclaim triggered all the longs that we see here. This is where I accumulated a lot of, because that's why I had this zigzagging kind of stuff. This is where I bought shit tons of Metis. And it's quite easy. So anyone can do this type of thing. Just you just have to be consistent, and you just have to show your ass daily and look at the charts. Yeah. And then you will be able to give them a good read. That's all. And you can see nice reclaim with this candle, retest, and then pump. Absolutely monster. 4x, 5x actually. Yeah, I like it. Analos, I don't think we have it on TradingView. Oh, we have it on Mexi. Oh shit. Um, I'm not touching Analos until reclaim of this. You can see support, boom, resistance once, resistance twice. We can see resistance third time and going like this. Minus. Yeah, you got a point. So I would be more happy buying it here and see a pump like this than buying it here, see a pump like this, but having a high risk of going to oblivion. we can clearly see that it's rejecting this area here. It can put a nice W, and then I'll buy the W, definitely. But here, no. I have a W here. Nice retest. We now are breaking this LJ. It tries to put another W. Maybe you can have a type of AB equals CD, which will activate this big W and power of 3 reclaim of this low. And actually, this can look like Metis, but I don't know. Analos, maybe it's just a shitcoin. I don't know if the team has any any plan with this one. I don't know if it has any fundamentals or it's just another shitcoin. Because I think the field is absolutely packed with shitcoins. I don't know. It pumped. They pumped so much, and so many shitcoins appeared in the space lately that I think I mean, people who are watching us and they are on Discord, they see the DGen meme shitcoins trading. It was it was insane what we had over there. So with 10 Solana, with 5 Solana, you could have made 50, 100 Solana easily. We printed like crazy there, but we did that only on shitcoin. So it's a little bit tricky in my opinion. It will end at some point, this shitcoin mania, and maybe 80, 90, 95% of them, they will go to oblivion, they will go to zero, and 5% of them, they will find some utility in the space and bring some value. And exactly, Kuchor, the best thing to do is just use some channels, try to use momentum. If you see that momentum is good for that coin, okay? If that specific coin lost the momentum, I don't know if you observed that, but it's going to zero. If it's losing the momentum, then it's dead. Those coins are really crazy. You have to use invalidation points on them. And a lot of liquidity is forming on Bitcoin to the upside. And I know we don't have news today. So why are they doing that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lows. Highs, sorry. Yeah, I think I'll hunt along, but not here. Exactly, Elvis Don Maricoin. Where actually we are leaving the ship really fast on those shitcoins. We are just selling half on a double like really quickly and then riding the rest, maybe 25%. We are taking profits and then that's it. Buy area for ICP. 1 second. Press to put a name here, but not confirmed. Not touching it for the moment. Let's put an alarm here. Let's see ICP. Everyone is hyped about ICP, guys. We are speaking about ICP. I have snips. We are speaking about ICP at $3, $4, $5, this area. And if you look at ICP, well, you will see the same stuff. Maybe it's boring because I repeat myself so many times, but the biggest pumps occurred right after this type of power of 3 kind of scenario. Because what the market makers wanted to make sure is that everyone thinks that the coin is dead and everyone thinks that it has no future, and then the coin is actually erecting to the upside. So you can see exactly the same stuff. Okay, it's going to zero. Well, not anymore. After this displacement to the upside and reclaim of the previous area, uh, which was demand, now was supply here, now reclaimed it as a demand. Then the confirmation was retesting and then closing as a demand. Boom. Well, right now, let's go on monthly to see if we have any fair value gaps. Yeah. If that fair value gaps will be left open in 20 days, get a 0.5 of it, then roll out 1 week. We have another one. So we have this area here. If we are looking at X areas, which were supply and demand, we can see here was a good area. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. So, and that most likely it's like the entrance at 61.8. Yeah, there you go. So I think 7.6, this type of area. This FEG, weekly FEG, it's looking really good, and it wasn't retested. So it's definitely looking good, in my opinion. A retest on this area would be good. A retest on this area would be like the dream, like ideal. If we are looking back a little bit, you can see support here, resistance, support again. So I would take this area like a second buying opportunity. I like to split my orders in 3 parts, something like this. Yeah, I know, Kuchar. I got my bags full of ICP. I can't buy more. I bought a lot at 4 or 5 area. I can't buy more ICP, sadly. That's it. I mean, not sadly, but I got my bags full. I was really active. I mean, since I started, my main focus was on getting all the profits from day trading to the spot positions. That was my main focus. To have the spot bags prepared for the rallies. And that's what I have right now. 11%. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Ask your questions. Um, this live is meant to be informational. It's not a trading advice or anything like that. We are looking at levels. We are trying to find entries, and we are speaking about uh, potential trades that we might find. Also, don't forget that we are doing this on a daily basis on our Discord community. You can find the link below. If you want to trade with us at London, we are live, and then at New York session, once the New York Stock Exchange is opening, we are live trading each day. Also, we have the Road to Financial Freedom, which helps you with little to no, like really low investment. Is showing you the levels that we are hunting to buy coins, and then we are hunting to sell halves on a double, and then ride the bags to the bull market. It's definitely, I mean, it's the most effortless thing that you can do. Just start doing your the Road to Financial Freedom plan. Okay, so Bitcoin is going down. I like it. We should get a bounce. This has an internal market structure shift. It's not external, so I don't know how much, but price should bounce from 61.8, 78.6, this area. We should see a bounce from this area. So if you have a big risk appetite, these lows should hold, something like this, and it should go for the highs. We have a peak of volume here, and then the volume gets dull. Let's see, trend base fib. So we can get a dump here into 46, and then create Three equal lows. Oh my God. Yeah, that's highly probable. Yeah, it won't go. Definitely, it won't go for a Monday low. But what it can do, it can confirm this big M. Um, and this to be like a manipulation. Then reclaim back inside the range. I don't know. 3 minutes until confirming this M. I'm not taking this long. I'll just put it like paper trade here. 3 minutes, yeah, 3 minutes until the hourly candle confirms. You can see POC is rejecting. We are at value area low here. I'm framing this just for the sake of internal range setups, but it's longing an M, not a good idea. Pepper. You have a toilet GIF here? I'm looking for something. Ah, there you go. Found it. There you go. The sign. This crap can aggressively go down and take all these lows and then go lower. So high risk trade here. And the reward is not worth too much. So it's better off scalping altcoins or looking at Ethereum maybe. But we can see that Ethereum is way weaker than Bitcoin is. This is paper trade. If we look at expansive extension here, first area is here, support, and then this 1.6 to 1.8. We'll see. We have 2 more minutes until the hourly candle is closing, and we'll confirm this M if it closes like this. Or we have a big dump in 1 minute, huh? There you go. We have a big dump and then aggressive reclaiming to the upside. But if it's closing like this, we are displacing the breaker, which is not bullish. Okay. Yeah, Ethereum Bitcoin has to reverse at some point. Paul posted a nice chart yesterday. Go on weekly. There you go. So important SFU level, firstly. There you go. This one. But you, Couture, there is one thing. Try to go back and look at this type of framework. Look at this pattern. What is happening usually when you have this pattern? Let's put it inverse. You know what's happening usually? We have a strong, like a freaking strong blow off movement, and then something like that. This is what's happening. So what I'm expecting here, either SFU this neckline and then retracing, either having a freaking blow off movement into the short reload zone, maybe a little bit higher here at 70 point, something like that, around here. Blow off top movement and then finally retracing back. But I can see that the movement is stronger and stronger. So there is a high probability that we'll have an exponential movement here to the upside on Ethereum Bitcoin. So we closed, yeah, we have a displacement. We have an M, but lots of liquidity above, so we cannot short this one with so much liquidity. I think it's just doing like a freaking triangle here, something like that. So we'll trap everybody out, fuck everyone here, like making a propeller type of thing here, the helicopter movement where it breaks out and it does this. I saw that thing a lot of times on Bitcoin. Signature move, the propeller. So there are two probabilities here. Either we SFU and reclaim going higher, either we have an exponential move to the upside, like a really quick dump, and then the movement is done like a capitulation type of thing on Ethereum Bitcoin. ES has pumped like crazy yesterday. Nice W formed on 4 hours. Today I think we'll have the retracement, retest the W, and then going higher. The movement, in my opinion, it's not yet finished. Because we didn't SFU this high, and I still think that we will go upside. We will pump again. Is that around bottom on Ethereum Bitcoin? I had a chart inverted, and if you are speaking about this, well, this is a textbook. I'm going to show you what the textbook. This is a textbook Wyckoff accumulation, but keep in mind that my chart is inverted. Yeah. Yeah, we are. I'm hunting CHR, so I have order for CHR. I have order for Solana. It's on, guys. So Solana, it's on. CHR waiting, and we have one more on near. Let's see if it survives. You can see what we have here, Florian. But keep in mind it's inverse chart, so this can get really violent. That's why I'm expecting like a really violent move here. I don't know, but Ethereum, we should not focus on Ethereum anymore. Call me crazy, but I think we should focus on charts like this, like Solana Bitcoin, like AVAX Bitcoin, because if you looked at where the money went lately, it wasn't Ethereum. Okay, it wasn't Ethereum. So we should look at Solana Bitcoin, AVAX Bitcoin. I definitely think that we will see a overcome of Ethereum in the future, in the next bull. I traded both Bitcoin. I traded both on Ethereum network and Solana network, and give me Solana anytime. It's way better. So we have a distribution Wyckoff confirmed here. Now we need an exponential move to the downside and then the reclaim and higher. Oh, render is looking good. Let's see. Okay, I'll take a shot on render here. I'll buy this W. Okay, let's see what we get. Either I'll lose like 1% or I have more longs, or we will win some dinero. Hit me up with questions, guys, if you have more questions. Close to Ethereum Bitcoin bottom, narrative of Ethereum getting replaced. Yeah, Kuchor. Yeah, because I don't know, I see definitely I don't think Ethereum will disappear. Not it will be top one, top two, top three, top five, something like that. But I can see a lot of potential in coins like Solana, AVAX, Atom, they I don't know, a lot of coins that are coming from behind strongly. And we saw where the volume went in the last few months, sorry. And it wasn't Ethereum. And I don't know, just from the user type of perspective, I really enjoyed Solana way more than Ethereum, and I traded on Ethereum. But you guys know way better than me, like Kuchor, Bocian, because you've been in this field for far more period than I've been. Yeah, exactly. Until we get a nice fat W here on Ethereum, maybe it will happen from this trend line here in the long reload zone. Nice W and something like this. I can definitely see that happening. Definitely Elvis. Let's see. NWC. I didn't heard of this coin. What's this? Okay. 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 The power of three already occurred once during this reaccumulation phase. This is a range. So there is a very, 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 very high probability that it will do the same thing. Right? You can say this time will be different on this one. You can already see that it starts to bottom out. We didn't displace the neckline here, but I think we will. Let's see, until the highs of the range. Yeah, we have a short. This would be the short reload zone. Definitely Elvis. I will actually ape with little old lady kind of stuff on this one. Thank you for highlighting it. I like it. And short is close. Actually, it's looking really good. On daily has an accumulation here. Maybe you wanted to mention Elvis. It has Wyckoff accumulation here. We can see the phases. We can see the sweep of liquidity, the manipulation here, around bottom. And if you are looking at charts that already pumped, you can see that these round bottoms are really strong ones. A lot of buying pressure. Look at this daily candle. The buying pressure is big on it. Displacing to the upside. Look at this W. Look at the candle body closed on this one, already taking it as support. So yeah, buying opportunity definitely here. You can either wait for the 61.8, maybe take it from here, or buy this W neckline or around here. So this area is a good area to buy. And as I said, for a short level, it's really good. So yeah. Piotr, let's see, RSTK. RSTK. I think we need to watch it on maybe USDC. No, RSTK, Uniswap. I think I need to open Uniswap because I don't think it's this one. Or maybe it is. Well, it has a retracement. That's good. It's a new coin. I don't know too many about the project, but you can see that we have a supply, X supply formed here. Then we broke out and displaced the neckline in this one. That would be 78.6 of the exponential moving or exponential movement. This would be my area to buy. 1.26 and 1. This is the range where I would buy here. So yeah, 1.27, 1. And then you can see this area, but it's not that big. You can see it here. You can see it here. Resistance, support, retested, but maybe it will retest it with a week. So 0.87, something like that. In this area, we can see a nice bounce if we are retesting it. So yeah, I like it. I don't know too many about the project. I have to confess that I don't know too many about it, but I like it. The chart is looking good. New coin. Usually these new coins, they don't have too much selling pressure. Let's see weekly. We don't have any FEG left. All of them, they were covered. So not too many things on a weekly basis. Let's scan all the nibbles from my list. Maybe any of them is at the entry. Okay, big time. It went back. I got one of the orders filled here at 0.255. I'm still in the buying area, so feel free to buy and hold this one or wait for a power of 3. INSP is looking good. Tax, it's in the first buying area. I'm waiting for the second fill. I already sold on this one. I mentioned it like at the beginning of December. I was looking at it. I bought around here. I sold, and now I'm scaling back in. Unibot, this is a mention from Piotr. It's looking really good. So I really like this accumulation that we are having here. Well, we can see that in the past we reclaimed EMAs a lot of times, then we lost it. So it's the same case. Maybe we reclaim, we lose it. What we need to do is like a sweep of the lows and then a break to the upside. That's what price needs to do. But it's in a good area to buy. If you are trying to buy here, try to hunt an entry at 44, 48. Exactly. Amo has a lot of support from the big influencers. Good point. SSV, I'm long on this one. Already did a shot. Noom, I don't have a fill yet. Also, I am, so most of the coins I'm already in them and I sold a part, like sell half on a double, but I'm trying to get back in. Okay, there we go. I get some fills on Mubi. This is the first one. I don't have a fill on the second part. That's But here was my buy. This one was posted on premium and it did like 5x. Yeah, 4. Was a really nice play. I know some of you managed to buy it when I shield around here. Where DAG is a coin that you should have on your long-term accumulation list. Don't fade it. If we get back and retesting these big fat W's, definitely if we retest 0.15 buy, but also 0.17 is a good area to buy. Naka, well, nothing to do on this one. Nothing, absolute nothing to do. Wait for a retracement. Same on Say, same stuff. Planet. I sold half on a double and I'm trying to get back in. GTO, I discussed about it. So it's a very, very good coin. Just wait for one of the two scenarios, either power of 3, either break of the W and break of structure here. Leaks started to move, had a big, you can see, this is exactly the same thing that I was speaking about on ZKF. Yeah, ZKF. So on ZKF, you can say that we are on this period or here. Yeah. The more boring it is, the better it is, in my opinion, for a coin. And then the more exponential the move will be to the upside. And you can see the example here on leaks. Mubi looks like RSTK. Yeah, definitely the next movement will happen on Mubi. So don't fade it. It's in the long reload zone. It touched reload zone multiple times. I have my buying orders already on, so don't fade this one. Leaks, yeah. So this is a good model of what a new coin can do and how a round bottom looks like. When you see this type of round bottom forming, start buying. Or wait for the first market structure shift, which happened here, or wait for the reclaim of the power of 3 of these previous lows, this one, this one, this one, and then it's a sign to buy. You can see demand forming already, breakout, demand retesting again, and then up, up, up. Stos, okay. This one, yeah, I think Kuchor and Bocian, maybe even Piotr, they are on. I shielded, I don't know, around here at these lows. We already made a double on this one. I bought here at this line. Even here was a good area to buy. So look at this reaccumulation. Looks like an AB equals CD. Looks really good. If we get a retracement, you can buy, but it's already looking like wants to go higher. Or the well, or the uppy, uppy, uppy. I would buy here at 44 and then at 36. This would be the area. And Tao, it started to go down finally. You can see that the dips are bought really aggressive. You have a 27, 30% dip, and then look at the bounce. A really quick one. So have your orders in the market. I have my orders here below 1.37. And what I usually do, you can spread the orders. You can put multiple orders, like 25 orders, and you split them on a range. I think everyone knows how to do that on Binance. Track, nice. So these coins, what I like about them, that each day they are doing a new all-time high. I absolutely love this. Tia, well, I had a fill here at 10 bucks, already 60% upside. And back to NTRN. Leaks has a lot of history. Let's see Leaks. Maybe KuCoin is not the best. Yeah, it's not the best. Maybe Coinex, maybe Gate.io, maybe no. I think it has a lot of history on. No, I don't. So yeah. Ah, they migrated. Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's see what my toilet paper trade is doing. Not a fill yet. The coin was called Lixe in the past. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Elixir is not looking that good. Not bad either. It's trying to put that around the looking bottom. But we are not yet there. So let's see if we get an entry on our toilet paper trade. The scalps are underwater. Mayday. Let's put an alarm here. Let me know if you have any other charts, guys, that you want to look at. Yeah, exactly. So you were mentioning about this one, RSTK. Yeah, definitely it looks good. So it's good to have, using risk management, is good to have like 1% allocated in this one too. You don't know how many 10x, 5x, 20, 25x can do. Trying to bring the shitcoins deck screener here. If we can look at some shitcoins this morning. Man, a lot of them, they went to oblivion. So a lot of these shitcoins just went to zero. Gently use the nose. Cocaine. Oh, 25K MCAP. You have to be really quick on this shit coins. I mean, the trend is changing from hour to hour, and the volume is going from one coin to another. It's so aggressive scalping. You have to have clear invalidation points there, and don't stay too much on a coin. Try to mark the profits because it will go to zero most likely. Bonked. Bonked is trying to do something. We see an LJW here. Same on WIF. I mean, this shitcoin mania will stop at some point. And I think Bocian mentioned for sure. Can't wait for those actual really good projects that will bring a value to the space. Okay, we got an entry on our paper towel trade. You can see already the end confirmed, so not taking this one, just for internal liquidity range kind of purpose. And Monday high play, because this one should take the highs. We'll see. Nice, Noodle just posted the list. So Beam, SSV, Tara, Sol, Dodge, NTRN, Noom, Ammo. Ammo, he bought Ammo like 10 times lower than the price right now? What? I didn't saw the zero in front of it. Well, Yopung, what do you mean? You have an airdrop from Xay, or you bought it on ICO? Well, depends on your plan. If you want, if you believe in that coin, not necessarily believe. If you have a good risk management, you can take your initial investment at a double, like selling half on double, and then riding the rest. That's what I would do. ZBC USDT. Nice reaction for our paper towel trade here. Looking good. ZBC. So try to have a plan. Most of the time, it's not the coin. It's not the coin which makes you profitable. The actual coin. It's the plan. Where you say where you bought it. What's your plan? Long term, mid term, accumulating that coin. You want to make some quick bucks and then um, going into another play. Okay, so it's depending on so many things, and you have to have that written down. ZBC, yeah. I don't know who asked. Elvis, yeah. This is looking really good, Elvis. Good spot. So high probability. Look on daily. Yeah, I like this one. KuCoin. Okay, I'll buy this one too. And actually in the buying zone, a little bit lower maybe if it's coming. But yes, I like it. Manipulation, reclaim, demand forming. You can see the breakout, displacement of the neckline, W confirmed on 3 days. I like it. Also ZBC. Nice. Yeah, exactly, Yopung. Like your states, you have to consider a lot of things and think about the fact that airdrops you are not buying them, so they are free money. You need to think about how are you redistributing those money? What are your plans? Can you make more from those money that you have received? How are you distributing them? Or is that coin really good and the project, the team behind it has good future? Okay. Seems like our paper towel trade is looking good. Render is looking good. So we are on render, we are on sol, share no entry. Near is going to 0. Joking. Okay. That's why it's really important to make a plan to have notebooks, like physical ones. If you enjoy typing like I do, I have 2 notebooks and I'm writing a lot on them, or keep them on your computer. But I like having them written down. That's what I enjoy. I didn't had a say airdrop. Sadly, I wasn't taking part of it. Wasn't farming it. Man, Osmo is looking like crazy. Like this week to the upside, I don't know. Let's see if it's all on all the exchanges. Yeah. No. I mean, it doesn't have enough history. So that's $12. Yeah, that's the $12 level that we saw on Mexi. So definitely, I can see this one going to $7 easily. A lot of people are bullish on Osmo. Looks like a nice reaction here on the 5 minute candle. We got an entry. It actually retested back again this low here. That's why I had it drawn on the chart and I had the alarm. Not looking bad. With proper risk management, anyone could have taken these trades, in my opinion, and not be too mad if the stop loss would hit and lose 1% on 0.5 or whatever. And this is just a routine that we are doing it daily. So if you are a member of our community, you would know that on a daily basis we are doing this thing. So we have to trade, we have to be there on the market and execute our edge whenever it comes up. We have to do it. If you want to be a member of our Discord, don't forget that you can join us. Yeah, we have the link down on the description, and you can join our community. If you need help with trading, low time frame, high time frame, uh, you can join us. And any question trading related you have, yeah, you can ask it. That would be it from my part today. We had some trades. We are focusing on long side right now because we see Bitcoin is just making higher highs and it's consolidating the breakout, which it's bullish for the moment. I'm focusing on taking that Monday high, so that's why I looked at that long to scale into that long. And we'll see you at the New York session. If you want to join and trade with us, you can find us on Premium. You can also join the educational program. So if you really want to learn how to trade, you can join on Capua One, and there you will be able to swing trade, to make your own plans, to create your trading view analysis based on really strong points, and exactly like we are doing actually here on Crypto Traders Arena. Yeah, so don't fade that. I think this year it's actually the year where you want to focus on education and leveraging out the um, investment part, because 2025, 2026, I think actually it will be a little bit too late to jump into this ship. Thank you very much for watching and having me here, guys. See you on the New York session. Bye bye.